Custom pre-wired Infinity Nissan brake control harness. OEM style wire harness. Reduces possible short circuits and cross-wiring of brake controls. Quick and easy plug-in style. Brake Control O.E.M style wire harness are designed for models equipped with trailer tow package. The quick and easy plug-in style connections reduces possible short circuits and cross-wiring of brake controls. This custom pre-wired brake control harness will mate directly between your vehicle and several Reese Towpower brake controls. To be used with the following vehicles: 2004 to 2011 QX56, 2004 to 2012 Armada, 2005 to 2012 Frontier Pickup, 2005 to 2012 Pathfinder, 2004 to 2012 Titan Pickup, 2005 to 2012 Xterra with factory tow package. Top reviews from the United States. Easy as can be. This is simple to install and simple to use as long as your vehicle is pre-wired for a trailer package. It took about 10 minutes to install. 8 of the 10 minutes was deciding where to put the unit. If you are not pre-wired well, that may add a degree of difficulty but not impossible. YouTube can help figure out wiring requirements.